Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present what is the best stockbroker in Italy. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this website called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is one of the best investment brokers that you can use for investments. And why is that? I made comparison video in which I was comparing all brokers that you can use, and I found out that DEGIRO is one of the best for Italy, and here's why. Not only because the broker chose to choose it as a best stock broker, a best broker for stock trading, or even the best discount broker, DEGIRO got no account fee, no inactivity fee, no deposit fee, no withdrawal fee. Also, you have everything here. The only thing that you don't have is Forex and CFD. And also on account opening and fees, they get 0.7 stocks and ETF commission on $2,000 trade. Also, there is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month. So that's good. You can get it on the DEGIRO website. And like the options cost 0.50 per contract. So that's pretty good. And now the trading platform is also alright that you can use. So I definitely recommend checking it out. Just click on the link down below in the description and check it out. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah. And my recommendation is, guys, definitely invest long term. Don't invest short term. It really depends what you actually need, right? So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.